Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. This is our exceptionally rare Austin Healey 3000 Mark II BN-7 triple carb two-seat Roadster. Also a late production car which has the Centershift transmission. So they only made about 125 of this model with the Centershift gearbox. This car has, it's been the recipient of a total nut and bolt ground-up restoration. It's finished in yellow over ivory with this dark tan trim with matching dark tan soft top and tonneau cover, 4-speed overdrive, 60-spoke wire wheels. And just an exceptionally well restored car, fully documented, matching numbers. Let's do a slow walk around here. Crisp gaps. All the finishes on this car are just exceptional. Paintwork, chrome, interior, mechanicals. Just excellent, excellent nut and bolt ground up restoration of the rarest road going Austin Healey. This car is even more rare than a 100M. 100Ms, they made 640, but they only made 355 of these triple carb two-seat Roadsters. And out of that batch of cars, the late production cars had the Centershift transmission. So super, super ground up, documented nut and bolt restoration. Let's take a look at this car's interior. So fabulous Concours interior trim. They've even got the correct armor cord behind the seats. Just a really perfectly restored car. That's hardly been driven. A really lovely panel fit throughout. You can see all back here, just really, really lovely attention to detail. Period DERRINGTON 15-inch alloy wood steering wheel. Show quality, just lovely triple plated show quality chrome. Side curtain set, matching tonneau cover there. Let's take a look at this car's engine compartment. But before we do, we'll take a look. We'll take a deep look down in here. You can see all this underdash. This car is a nut and bolt ground out restoration, and the owner was poring over all the Concours rules and correctness to get all the detailing right on this one. So under here you can see pretty much Concours correct engine compartment, triple carb, original body tag, original VIN plate, HBN7L 18440. And then of course your matching engine tag down there. But just really lovely, crisp, exceptionally clean nut and bolt restored BN-7. Yeah, over here on this table, we do have a massive stack of all the documentation that goes with the car, as you can see here. There's even disassembly and assembly photos of the car from start to finish. So that's beautifully executed, all that documentation. But to find a Centershift triple carb BN-7 Mark II is pretty rare, pretty spectacular. And we just have one here in absolutely perfect condition. Have a look at the driving video. This car really, really drives brilliantly. Gets up and goes. Very well sorted out, very well tuned. Completely rebuilt. Once again, this is our 1962 Austin Healey 3000 Mark II BN-7 tri-carb 2-seater Centershift, finished in yellow over ivory, tan interior, matching tan top tonneau cover, side curtain set. This car is absolutely fresh to the market. It's been ages since this car has been offered for sale. www.kurttannermotorcars.com.